Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create a diamond symbol checkbox in PDF. Open your PDF file and select Tools option and scroll down. Here you will find this Prepare From option, select. Now click on this checkbox icon and draw a checkbox and right click for Properties. Now select General option. Here you can change checkbox name from field visible, you can hidden. You can make this checkbox read only and required and select appearance option. You can change border color, line thickness, also is thick, and font size also is auto. You can add custom font and text box, that means text symbol color. Now select option and select here diamond symbol and select close and preview and see this diamond symbol checkbox added. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.